Hello friends, this is Basaransh, your tech buddy. So today I'm going to show you how to do a basic Linux shell scripting or Python scripting in Ubuntu operating system. So today I'm going to show you 2 points. That is, first one is Python basic scripting and the second one is basic shell scripting or bash scripting, what we call in Ubuntu Linux environment. So let's get started. So I'll open the terminal. So you can see there is no file except that file which is opened here. So first I'll start with Python basic script. So let me create a simple Python script here called python underscore test.py. So you can see I'm giving an extension called .py, which shows that it's a Python script. So this first line shows what is the executable which is going to run this. Is a Python which is installed in our bin folder in Ubuntu operating system. So first thing what we want to do is to print something. I'll just type print. Print is a Python script syntax to run, show something on the screen. Just say hello, this is Python basic script. Okay, let's test how it runs. So you can see it's the contents of this file. So I'll try to run this. Okay, so I'm not able to execute because I don't have permissions to run it as executable. So you can see it's all read. So I will give the permissions, full permissions to execute. So now let me see. Okay, you can see it has become executable without permissions to execute. I'll just print /python underscore test.py. So you can see it is showing the contents whatever I had put in the print command. So it's executing my Python script. Okay, let me add few more things in this Python script. I will add a basic for loop here and print the contents of that iteration for I in range of say 3. Print I. So basically what this for loop does is it iterates through this range of 3, that it, and then for every value of this I, it prints the on the screen. So I will execute this script. Okay, so you can see it's printing the initial statement and the contents of the iteration of the for loop. Okay, this is the basic execution of Python script in Ubuntu Linux operating system. It's same across all Linux drivers as well. Now we'll come to shell scripting. I'll show you how to create a basic shell script and how to execute it. So the extension of this file will be .sh, which shows it's a shell script. So here instead of print in shell scripting we have echo. This is basic shell script. Give the permissions to this file. So you can see it's printing the statement what I had added in the echo command. So this is a basic shell script. So here what I will do is I will add few more commands which get executed on the terminal when this shell script is executed. So I will add a command to list down the files with details. I will list down the what is the present working directory as well. So what happens is when I execute this file, it first goes to the sequence and it executes each and every command which is present in this file. So it treats all the lines as a commands. So you can see it is printing the first statement which I had added, then it's executing the shell the command ls-ltr contents on the terminal, and then it's printing the present working directory details. Okay, so I'll just show the contents of both the files. For your reference to practice. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe my channel.